We're a next day carrier. So basically, freight that we pick up on a Monday is delivered on Tuesday. So we need as much information as we can get to make that shipment move as easy as possible. You want a trailer full, the airlines want their airplanes full, their jets full, we want a trailer full. We don't want to move a trailer unless it's packed. Our biggest metrics that we follow daily is the number of shipments. We ship between 10,500 to 12,000 shipments a day in our region and with our partners. In general, we've just automated as much as we can through the tractor. So we have onboard computers in the cab of our trucks, and that allows us to get information earlier in the process, and through that, we do a lot of scanning of information that gets the data into our systems to push it through. With Kapow, we've automated the transfer of information from within our systems to our customer systems. And we've also been able to pull financial information off of companies that aggregate shippers and do the billing for them. We were doing manual web work with humans. So we had, in our customer service area, we had our CSRs tracking the shipments in our internal systems, and then as events occurred, we did a pickup, we did a delivery, they would have to go over into our customers' systems and update that manually. With the Kapow solution, we've actually broadened it even more. We look for emails coming in or shipment requests coming in, and we take that information, we put it into our systems, and then as the events occur, we again go, we have Kapow software monitoring our internal systems, and they push that data out to our customer systems automatically. We've saved 90–95% of the human effort that we were doing through the Kapow solution. On the credit and collection side, mainly we are pulling information, but we've been able to pull vast more data than we were able to before. Again, very manual process where we had credit and collection agents going out to these sites, looking at our receivables and trying to determine if we needed to act on those. But because of the number of freight payment companies that we were dealing with, the number of customers that we have, the vast majority of data, we were only looking at data 40 days past due, particularly, and not looking at all the companies consistently. With Kapow, since we were able to automate that, we look at current data, and we look at it daily, everything. So we were able to shorten immensely the amount of time between when we do our initial billing and we get the final billing in because of solving errors quickly. The customers that we're doing with Kapow, we call them managed accounts. So we are very high touch, and they're a little bit high profit accounts also. And so it's not every customer that we're doing this with, but we've been able to bring on more of these managed accounts without increasing our customer service staff. And we've seen dramatic productivity increases. So not only are we able to bring on more customers, the customer service representatives are doing other activities now also. We think since we've had Kapow, and we're probably in between both areas of the business where we have it, we're probably in savings of $200,000 to $250,000 a year.